Pell City's climate, characterized by warm summers, mild winters, and occasional storms, requires homeowners to prioritize durability and weather resistance when it comes to home upgrades. Your exterior doors are a critical line of defense against the elements, and choosing the right weatherproof door can make a significant difference in protecting your home and enhancing its efficiency. If you're considering a door replacement, this guide will help you navigate the best options for Pell City's unique climate. Why weatherproof doors matter. Weatherproof doors are designed to withstand the harshest conditions while maintaining their appearance and functionality. They protect your home from drafts, moisture, and extreme temperatures, ensuring a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Additionally, they improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and increase curb appeal, making them a valuable investment for any Pell City homeowner. Benefits of weatherproof doors. Energy efficiency. The weatherproof doors help regulate indoor temperatures by creating a tight seal that prevents air leakage. Features like insulated cores, weather stripping, and advanced materials reduce heat transfer, lowering your heating and cooling costs. In Pell City, where temperatures can range from chilly winters to sweltering summers, energy-efficient doors are a must-have. Moisture resistance. With occasional storms and high humidity levels, moisture can be a concern for Pell City homeowners. Weatherproof doors are built to resist warping, rotting, and swelling, ensuring long-lasting performance even in damp conditions. This protects your home from water damage and maintains the door's structural integrity. Improved security. Durable, weatherproof doors often feature reinforced frames and advanced locking mechanisms, providing an added layer of security. Impact-resistant materials can withstand strong winds and debris, keeping your home safe during storms and deterring potential intruders. Enhanced curb appeal. Weatherproof doors come in a variety of styles, finishes, and colors, allowing you to customize your home's exterior while maintaining functionality. A stylish, high-performance door boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value. Top weatherproof door options for Pell City homes. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice for their exceptional durability and versatility. These doors resist warping, cracking, and denting, making them ideal for Pell City's varying climate. Fiberglass doors often feature foam insulation for superior energy efficiency and can be customized to mimic the look of wood without the maintenance. Steel doors. Steel doors offer unmatched strength and security. They are resistant to extreme weather conditions and provide excellent insulation. With galvanized coatings to prevent rust, steel doors are a reliable option for Pell City homeowners who want a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution. They're also available in various styles, from sleek modern designs to classic paneling. Wood-clad doors. For those who love the timeless beauty of wood but need added protection against Pell City's weather, wood-clad doors are an excellent option. These doors combine a wood exterior with a durable interior core made from fiberglass or steel. This hybrid design offers the best of both worlds: the warmth and charm of wood with the durability and energy efficiency of modern materials. Vinyl doors. Vinyl doors are an affordable and energy-efficient option for Pell City homes. They resist moisture, are easy to maintain, and come in various styles to suit any home. While vinyl may not offer the same level of security as steel or fiberglass, it's a budget-friendly choice for areas with less exposure to severe weather. Storm doors. Adding a storm door to your entryway provides an extra layer of protection against harsh weather. These doors shield your primary door from rain, wind, and debris while improving insulation. Storm doors are available in a range of styles, including full-view glass panels and ventilated options with screens for added airflow. Key features to look for when choosing a weatherproof door: consider these essential features. Insulation. Look for doors with insulated cores to minimize heat transfer. Weather stripping. High-quality weather stripping ensures a tight seal to block drafts and moisture. Impact resistance. Materials like fiberglass and steel offer durability against wind and debris. UV protection. UV-resistant finishes prevent fading and damage from sun exposure. Low maintenance. Opt for doors that require minimal upkeep to maintain their appearance and performance. Professional installation matters. A weatherproof door is only as effective as its installation. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, moisture problems, and reduced efficiency. To ensure optimal performance, work with a trusted Pell City professional who specializes in door installation. They'll ensure your door is properly fitted, sealed, and aligned to withstand the elements. Invest in your home's future today. Replacing your exterior doors with weatherproof options is a smart investment that protects your Pell City home while enhancing its comfort, efficiency, and value. With so many durable and stylish options available, you can find the perfect door to match your home's design and climate needs. Don't wait until the next storm to take action. Contact a local door replacement expert today and take the first step toward a safer, more energy-efficient home.